Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Shades of My Day. Today I'll be dropping a free PSD for you, so I'm giving you a quick run through of how I got it. As usual, I bring in my background. This is my background. Then I also got this background online too. Okay, let me show you how I placed it. Control N rather. The page size is 2000 by 2000. Create. So as usual, bring in my background, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, okay, let me bring this in, sorry, Ctrl C. So I got this background online. It was downloaded online, so I added noise to it. Noise amount of 10. Now if you don't know how to get noise, you come to your filter, then noise, you see add noise, so you click add noise, so you can add noise to your design. Then I added drop shadow to it. You can see opacity 100, distance 12, spread 18, size 27. Very simple. So what I did next was to add a pattern overlay. Now for this one, it was downloaded. I had the pack online, so what you can do it, you come to your, and for me how I got this was I was in my, okay, let me create it here for you. So you come to your FX, you see pattern overlay here. It will work on all your designs, but you can create clipping mask to, oh sorry, let me just create on this. So what I did there was to click on this. So for me, I have the line one here, so this is the line one. You can see this is the line one. This was also downloaded. You can search online for line pixel pattern shape, so it will give you different types of lines. So you can adjust it here, the scale. You can scale it, you can see, you can make it very small, very big. So it's very simple. So this is how you add pattern to it. So you can see it's very simple. You add pattern to your design. Then also what I did next was to bring in my image. See, Control V. I got this image online. It was online. As you can see, they made the work very easy online. So I worked on it. You can see. Sorry. You can see if it's not this, you will see. You come to your layer mask here. You come to your gradient tool. You gently wipe something like this. It's very easy. So you have this kind of feel. So finally I brought in my text here. I added bevel and emboss to my text. Inner bevel smooth, depth 32, size 8, opacity the 50s at white, color white screen, color white, shadow mode black, opacity 50. Then drop shadow, opacity 52, distance 9, spread 8, size 16. So it's very simple. Then I added this text. So I just duplicated this one, I made it to this shape, so it's very simple. Then finally I usually had my flare, as you can see, my flare. So I'm dropping the file in the PSD file in the link below. Please do well to watch to the end and download. Thank you very much.